is so cool.
You just said this morning, I haven't seen any cows. Look at that one trying to buck. You see him? He's so happy, he's dancing.
Mom.
Look, those cows that probably hasn't seen any cows.
Oh yeah, there he is right there. Look at how many there are. Mom, there's so many of them.
That's so cool.
Look at that. That's some big horns.
Yeah. I don't even know. I haven't seen this many cows since we've been here. Where they kept them.
Wow.
This is our balcony. We changed rooms because the other one we're going to the beach, so that's why she's just like that. But we looked out the window and look. Like, why are we excited over cows? Y'all know we love some animals.
You got some big thick horns. Wow. Mom, that is so cool.
It really is.
And then we're gonna get excited over some
Oh no. We're in Africa, we're not seeing any animals. So the cows are making us happy. Oh look, there's their snippet. Right, watch that black one coming behind me so it don't do the same thing to me. Why would you leave me? That is so not cool. Why would you do that? What's wrong with my child? That was not, why would you leave your mama?
Sorry.
She ran back to the gate with the security guard to protect her. Leave it up to my child. Leave her mama. Look at that big one, and he was just coming behind. Wow. Never seen a white girl. Oh. It's a video. They got oceanfront property. She's so happy.
Family shopping who? Everybody?
Where are we? Guyana.
Winneba, Ghana.